What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Before we get into the video, I want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed to the new channel. If you guys didn't see on Instagram or on YouTube, I started a new channel with Emily. We already hit 3,000 subscribers in like the first day, bro. So thank you guys so much for the support, all the love and support, bro. You guys are real ones. I appreciate it. It's super hard to start a new channel, but 3,000 subscribers in the first day, that's amazing, bro. So thank you. Me and Emily are gonna start posting more like daily content on there, couple stuff, and just more like lifestyle things, so that I can try to keep the Finding Nick channel more car related. So if you guys want to go subscribe right now, I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's Nick and Emily. We're gonna try to film more videos for you guys. But yeah, like I said, if you guys want to get more Finding Nick content, go to that channel right now. There's still gonna be cars involved probably, because that's just my life, but more like lifestyle and couple things, I guess. But yeah, Nick and Emily, it's the link down below. Go subscribe, smash the like button on the first video, and show some love. And I appreciate all the love and support, bro. Now today, we're gonna head to LA right now. We're gonna meet up with the homie Kevin. I've been slacking on the content, guys, I'm not gonna lie. There hasn't been really anything cool going on, honestly. Not that many car events, not that many car meets, but I really want to go do something fun. So today we're gonna just hang out with Kevin. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're thinking of doing like a little exhaust comparison video with the GTR and his M4 GTS. We did this in the past. This is actually like my most viral video, probably my first video that went viral. Me and Kevin compared our E92 exhaust systems. But today we're gonna try it with a GTR and an M4 GTS. A little exhaust comparison, see which one sounds better and which one you guys like better. Let's head to Kevin right now. I'll see you guys in like an hour. For you guys, it'll be like 1 second. I spy a little E92 M3. Just randomly parked right there. Oh, I missed mine. We made it, guys. We made it to LA. But it's funny how as soon as we get off the freeway, we see an E92 M3. It's a sign, bro. I need another E92 M3. I do want another one, guys, but the prices are crazy right now. It's all good. One day I'm gonna buy another one. I promise. But this time I want a stick shift one. That's another reason why I kind of wanted to sell it and get a new one. So I want something stick shift. Damn. We made it. How's my car already dirty, bro? These are brown. Damn, that shit looks sick on with the wheels. Cool. We made it.
I know. Kevin? Finally.
Did it take long?
Yeah.
Dude, that drive. Damn. I love how my car looks, guys. I love these wheels on my car. I added a little sticker. If you guys haven't seen it. Already engineering. The people who tune my car. The people who make my car fast. We gotta go back and get the turbos though. I don't know, honestly, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if I want to do the turbos anymore. Scared now that I've had homies cars that blew up, and it's scary, bro. Homie Anthro, you guys remember his GTR, he blew his motor. He was on upgraded turbos, a lot of boost, and he was doing it for a while and racing a lot of people like I do. So eventually his engine just gave out. I think it was at like 50,000 miles or something like that. So I don't know, bro, it's kind of scary. A lot of GTRs, once they like start pushing a lot of boost, that's when stuff starts breaking. Right now it's reliable, bro. Full bolt sounds pretty freaking reliable. You guys see how I drive. I'm always driving this car like hard. So part of me kind of doesn't want to make more power now. I don't want to run into more problems and more money. It's not cheap to build these cars, guys. If the motor blows or the transmission goes out, you're looking at like a $50,000 rebuild or something like that, and that's ridiculous, bro. But anyways, we made it. We got Kevin in the front with the M4. We're probably gonna grab some food real quick because I'm starving. It's already 1 p.m. and I haven't ate. And then after, do a little exhaust comparison video. I want to show you guys the differences of the exhaust. This car does look pretty crazy, huh? I didn't like the wing at first, but it does make the car look like a little bit of a race car or something. It's like me, I took off the black edition wing on mine. Remember I had the carbon fiber black edition wing? You know what I found out is that carbon fiber spoiler that I had on my GTR, supposedly it's like a $15,000 option. $15,000 for a carbon fiber spoiler, bro. And I just took it off and put it in the storage. I should just sell it, bro. God damn, it's a lot of money. This cop is looking at us, Kevin. Huh? The cop's looking at us. You guys know that supposedly it's a misdemeanor now?
I know.
There was a funny TikTok of these cops. It was so cheesy, bro. I'm gonna put it right here.
If you modify your exhaust to intentionally make it louder, it is a misdemeanor in the city of Glendale.
But they say it's a misdemeanor now to modify your exhaust.
So dumb.
I looked up a misdemeanor. You can go to jail for a modified exhaust? There's no way, bro. Imagine I get taken to jail, guys, for my exhaust. That would be funny. I need to get another BMW, huh, guys? Should I? Look at Kevin trying to race. This is pretty loud, bro. Look how close I parked to the curb. Oh my god, that could have been bad. Right there, right there, right there. Stop, stop, stop. Oh my god, dude. I thought you were gonna hit it. Bro, you're so close.
Bro, I never parked forward.
I know, me neither. That's honestly the first time I parked forward in I don't know how long.
Oh shit, yeah, that was close.
You almost hit it. I don't know how I got so close. I wasn't even looking. Completely different cars, but they're both V6s, so
yeah,
kinda. So they should sound, I don't know, we're gonna see which one sounds cooler. You guys vote. Which one do you guys like the sound of better? Do you guys like the M4 GTS or do you guys like GTRs? I know I have a bunch of BMW fanboys, so probably a lot of BMW fans are gonna pick Kevin's car, but we'll see. I think Kevin's car is louder. GTRs are quiet, bro. They're not that loud. Especially mine. Like, I feel like my exhaust setup's not the loudest. I've heard way louder GTRs. All right, guys. So Kevin's gonna rev his car first. Let's see how it sounds.
Do with the valves closed first?
Oh yeah, we can do that. I have valves too.
Okay, this is with the valves closed.
Damn, that shit's still loud. Even with the valves closed. Oh no, it's gonna be loud. Bro, there's no way. I can't even cover my ears, Kevin. I'm carrying 2 cameras. That shit is really loud.
Yeah?
Yes.
Does it sound good or it sounds bad?
It sounds horrible. No, I'm just kidding.
Here.
I'm just kidding. No, it sounds good. It's just really loud. I can close my valves, but I don't feel like mine has that big of a difference.
He's gonna start off with the valves closed, and then he'll open them up. No way, that's it?
That's it, bro.
Shut up, there's no way.
Is it loud or what?
Nah, you're lying.
I swear. Okay.
No way, let me rev that shit.
Wait, wait.
I think it's capping us, there's no. Put it like on kill mode or something. Oh my ears are You definitely won. That was loud. Bro, my left ear's like silent. No, it's not.
The shoot flames?
Flame, yeah.
These GTRs aren't as loud. I feel like BMW's rev are way louder. What are you, Kevin, vlogging? I like you vlogging, Kevin. Yeah, guys, if you guys want to see Kevin's video, we also film the same thing, but you can see his point of view if you want. I'll leave the link down below. Go subscribe to Kevin. Kevin actually posts a lot more than I do. So go watch his videos, guys, if you guys want to see some BMW content. I know a lot of you guys missed the BMW content. Well, there you go. All the BMWs you could freaking ask for, because he's always with all the BMW guys. He goes on BMW meets and cruises. So if you want to see more BMW stuff, go watch Kevin's stuff. I kind of want to get another BMW, guys. I really want an F80. You guys know that. This is an M4. It's also a GTS, so it's like the freaking highest model you can buy. But the cool thing about GTS is they're like fully race card out. They got the door pulls, they got carbon fiber door panels. Does not have a, what is it called? Glove box? Doesn't have one. I guess for like the lightweight or something. I don't know. Yeah, look at that. It's literally a race car. Seat deletes and roll cages. Like, that's crazy. It's crazy how they actually made a seat delete and everything.
Yeah.
Like straight from BMW. Look at Kevin. You guys know how mad he'll be if I pull this off? Like, he would be pissed. Kevin's always like known for taking care of his cars. Look at, he got the blue on here, tape still on it, sitting on a towel so he doesn't mess up his seats. But it's funny, I always make fun of him for keeping all this stuff on. The GTS also come with the wing, and they come with some secret stuff. That is crazy.
Isn't that crazy?
In the trunk, this comes factory, guys. What is it for?
Water sprays into the intercooler to keep it cool.
Oh wait, what is all that shit?
Yeah, that's the tank, the little motor for it and stuff. Like I would say like every 6 months it'll ask me to refill.
You put just regular water? Or like distilled water?
No, I put like Monster Energy or yeah, distilled water only.
I just stole Kevin's car, guys. It's so different compared to a GTR. Like, this is a completely different car. I wonder if Kevin's gonna take the GTR. I do love driving BMWs, guys. Like, the F80s and these M4s, M3s, they drive so nice. Sheesh. And they have so much torque, bro. I can feel it. I'm barely stepping on it, but it feels pretty quick. I know you guys miss me being in a BMW, bro. Imagine starting the vlogs like this. Oh my god, bro. I just got kicked in the head. Oh shit.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.